starting your project, it helps to understand the different types of threads available. Once you've selected your fabric, the next step is choosing the right thread to go with it. In this video, I'll guide you through the different types of threads and their uses, how to choose the right one for your project, and tips to help you get the best results. This video is based on the Gutermann retail range, which is a popular choice for home sewing. Every brand can vary slightly, so it's always worth checking the manufacturer's recommendations for your specific needs. If you'd like to explore the range or pick up any of these threads, I've linked them in the description below. Polyester or Sewall thread is made of 100% polyester and is a strong, versatile general-purpose thread with slight elasticity for both hand and machine sewing on a wide range of fabrics. It comes in a range of thicknesses, which you can see in the table below. Recycled polyester thread is made of 100% recycled polyester and is an eco-friendly general-purpose option with strength and flexibility for sewing on a range of fabrics. Cotton thread is made of 100% mercerized cotton and is a natural thread with little stretch, ideal for sewing stable natural fabrics and traditional sewing projects. Mercerization is a treatment that removes the surface fuzz to create a smoother, more lustrous finish. It comes in a range of thicknesses, which you can see in the table below. Silk thread is made of 100% silk and is a fine, smooth thread ideal for delicate fabrics, hand sewing, applique and tailoring where stitches blend into the seam. It comes in two types for lighter and heavier fabrics, which you can see in the table below. Maraflex or stretched thread is made of 100% polybutylene terephthalate and is designed to create flexible seams on light to medium weight knit and elastic fabrics. Elastic or shearing thread is made of 64% polyester and 36% polyurethane and is typically used in the bobbin to create shearing, smocking and decorative gathered effects on a wide range of fabrics. Top stitch thread is made of 100% polyester and is a thicker, stronger thread ideal for bold top stitching, closing seams and hand stitch buttonholes on medium to heavyweight fabrics. Cotton wrap polyester thread is made of 70% polyester and 30% cotton and combines strength with heat resistance, making it ideal for strong seams on denim and other heavyweight fabrics. Viscose thread is made of 100% viscose and is a lustrous, high-shine thread designed for machine embroidery, producing smooth stitching and decorative finishes on a wide range of fabrics. Buy good quality thread, as low quality thread often lacks labelling, appears fluffy and can easily break or create lint in your machine. Avoid old thread as it deteriorates over time, becoming brittle and more likely to snap, making it suitable only for temporary stitching like tacking. Choose a slightly darker shade than your fabric or a neutral tone like grey, as these tend to blend well across a range of colours. Match your thread weight to your needle size by ensuring it passes smoothly through the eye. If the needle slides down the thread at a 45-degree angle, it's a good match. And that's your explanation of thread. For more sewing Bexpertise, I've linked helpful videos in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy sewing!